believe these decoys have been here all night long. Throughout the night, we had 20 to 30 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Look over here. When we got here in the dark, this pop-up blind was about 15 yards back and hung in a tree. The turkeys were roosted right back there. Take a look at that tree. Right up there. And they were blowing in the wind. And there goes the blind again. It's been that kind of a night. But the results have been pretty good. We set our blind back up in the dark. Our decoys made it through the night. And I'll tell you how. I use these metal stakes. Those are made for roasting weenies. You can get them, they're cheaper than the plastic stakes that break. They're weenie roasters. I bought them at Academy. They're metal, they go in the ground easier. They hold your decoys, your lightweight decoys, and keep them from blowing away. And that's how, and that paid off last night. Let me show you how it paid off. There's his big blue head. And a pretty nice beard. Decent. 6-7 inches. And a beautiful West Texas Rio to go with it. And that's not all. His buddy got curious and came in here too. And we doubled. Thank you, Lord.